Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday and we are at Gulch's Off-Road Park in Waterloo, South Carolina, and we are hitting a double black diamond trail first thing in the morning, Pirates Revenge. We're out here with the JKU. It's basically a shakedown run. I don't believe that it's anywhere near where it needs to be. The front lockers aren't engaging, so we don't know what's going on with that, but we're gonna try to make the best of it and still have a good weekend out here wheeling. So hopefully you guys like the video. I wanted to show you guys something. Look at our shirts. So those are going to be available for you guys to purchase, and it does really help us out, continue to bring awesome content to you guys, travel across the United States and also internationally. So if you guys want to show your support, please check them out. The description or the details are going to be in the description below, so make sure you guys check it out. we are on Pirates Revenge round 2. Ignore my face, guys. I'm having like a severe allergic reaction to something. Like, I'm trying to push through, but this really doesn't feel great. So let's get back to the video. So right here you'll see a Cherokee, kind of. I'll flip the camera and show you guys better. So this guy, he has no drive and no four-wheel drive, and his winch broke, and one of our friends was trying to recover him, and he has no park, and so his rig just slid. It was right there, and it slid all the way down.
Good job.
Bumper a little bit?
Yeah, I think that can work.
Ooh, that's pretty deep.
So earlier I showed you guys that there was a Cherokee that kind of, well, first I didn't know this then. Now I know that it's two-wheel drive and his parking wasn't working or engaging. So
No, because his rear drive shaft, he broke his rear drive shaft.
oh, cool. So it was a mess. But anyways, he slid off the trail, the Pirate's Revenge, and down the trail and into a tree. You can kind of see here.
And he was lucky that he didn't flip it.
Yeah, it could have been so much worse. And guys, this was happening in the middle, my peak allergic reaction. I don't know what happened to me, but I'm gonna show you guys. Like, this is just one.
Okay, let me get the camera and let me show them.
So these are just my arms, and guys, I didn't touch anything. I didn't touch any poison ivy or poison oak. Like, both my arms look like that. My stomach looks like this. My back is on fire. My legs are like blotchy, and so I'm having a great time.
And your face too. Look at your face.
Well,
Look at
my
your
face
neck.
is like super. Oh, my neck. Yeah, that's. Anyways, but enough about me. The Jeep. So thank God no one was seriously hurt or hurt at all. He wasn't even in the vehicle. It just kind of rolled, and they were able to recover him. As you guys see, we're in the entrance of Gulches, so this guy is gonna probably definitely need a tow truck to take it home, but no one got hurt. That's the important part, and lessons were learned. Don't attempt double black diamonds if you only have a two-wheel drive. And he was wheeling by himself, which you guys know, it's not recommended. We don't suggest it, and it's not safe. Use a buddy system, you know, and he doesn't have a winch either, so don't be this guy.
And I think that was his daily too.
It was being the operative word, because this is, I mean, it's a Cherokee. What is it going to be, like $50?
Well, shot fired.
You guys know I love you guys. You guys drive like no other.
Yeah, we love
Jeep
Cherokees.
Yeah. Just throwing some shade in a kind way.
We love Cherokee
Okay.
guys.
I think I'm getting itchy again, so let's
Time to go back.
Yeah, definitely. Hopefully you guys like the video. Like always, big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and we'll see you at the next one.